Hi folks, welcome back to our kitchen. That's right, you've got me cooking for you today, and Nick's going to be operating the camera. I'm going to be making for you my super quick and easy prawn toast. They're the perfect Chinese appetizer. We start by making the prawn paste. I've got my mini food processor here, and I'm going to add in 200 grams or 7 ounces of raw, deshelled and deveined prawns. Along with the prawns, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 2 roughly chopped spring onions or scallions, and 1/4 teaspoon each of white pepper and salt. Then blitz until you get a thick paste. You're looking to get to this consistency. Now we're going to move on to the bread. I've got 3 slices of thick white bread. I'm going to cut them from corner to corner to leave me with 12 triangles. You can cut the crusts off the bread if you like, but I prefer to leave them on. Spread the prawn paste evenly on one side of each of the triangles. It's going to be around about 1 heaped tablespoon of the prawn paste for each triangle. Next, place 6 tablespoons of sesame seeds onto a plate or a shallow bowl. So we're going to dip each one of the triangles paste side down in the sesame seeds to make sure you get a nice covering all over the paste. We'll try not to get it on the sides or the bottom of the bread. And there you go, that is ready for frying. Once all the triangles are prepared, we're going to add the oil to a wok or a deep frying pan. We want 1 inch or about 2.5 centimetres of vegetable oil and heat that over a high heat. We want to heat the oil until it's hot but not smoking. You can test this by placing a spare piece of bread into the oil, and if it starts to float and sizzle, then we know it's ready to start cooking. We're going to place the triangles in the hot oil, paste side down, and cook them for 1 to 2 minutes. We want to do this in batches so that we don't overcrowd the pan and we end up with nice crispy prawn toasts. Turn over and cook for another minute until the bread is lovely and golden and the prawn paste is cooked through. Then place on a tray with a couple of pieces of kitchen roll to soak up any excess fat. Repeat until all your prawn toast is cooked. Then we're going to sprinkle on some finely chopped fresh coriander or cilantro, and then we're ready to serve. That's my super simple prawn toast recipe. I first made this for the family a couple of years ago on New Year's Eve, and we've been making it ever since. It's so tasty.